Good morning guys. In this tutorial I have explained difference between Java 8 and Java 11 with key difference. So let's continue. The first difference is Applet Viewer. The Applet Viewer tools is available in Java 8. Java 11, the Applet Viewer tools is not available in Java 11. String technique. It has fewer string methods. Several new strings, new methods of strings such as is blank, lines, repeat, and many more. Lambda expression. In lambda expression, no special variable are used. In lambda expression, where variable are used. Java development technology. This technology is available in this version. This technology is removed from this version. Now is pattern. Pattern recognize is not possible. In Java 11 with the help of the as match predicates methods pattern recognize is possible. Garbage collector. It has less garbage collector memory. It has a better garbage collector system. LTS version. It's used LTS 1.2 version and it's used LTS 1.3 version. Security. It is less secure than compared with Java 11. In this version, the application are quite secure and the application in Java 8. Modularity. The modularity feature is not available in Java 8. The modularity feature is available in Java 11. The where keywords. Where keywords is not available. Where keyword is available in Java 11. Which is termed as a developer friendly keywords. AWT utility. Those the AWT utility class is not is available. It is not recommended. The AWT utility class is not available. JMC and JavaFX both these both are available in the Oracle JDK. These both are removed from the JDK 11. Performance Java 8 there is no suitable method to work with the files. In Java 11 there are various methods to work with the files such as write string and read string and is file names. So thanks for this watching and given the time.